Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to connect external mic to your Mac. It doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now for recording this particular video, the microphone I'm using is the internal mic of my Mac. Suppose if you have connected external mic, then where can you check it? All you have to do is just simply go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system setting. Now once you open system settings, on the left hand side, go down and look for sound, select that option, and on the right hand side you get multiple options like this. Over here there is an option of output and input. Output is basically if you are playing a video from where you want to hear the sound. Currently MacBook Air speaker is selected, so that is the output device. If you have connected headphones or anything, you can select that particular option. But the main thing is input. If you want to use external mic to record something, then in input make sure that particular mic is selected. For now you can see MacBook Air microphone is in use, and whenever I'm speaking you can see the difference over here, or you can check out the input level over here. If you want to increase the input level, then you can just simply move this toggle forward or backward in order to adjust the input volume. Based on that, you can just simply check out how the level is. Now you can see, as I said, MacBook Air microphone is in use, but if you connect external microphone, I'm connecting right now. So now you can see external mic has appeared over here. So if I want to use that mic, I'm going to select this particular option. For now, I'm not going to use it because I'm recording the video. I'm going to keep it to MacBook Air microphone. But as I said, if you want to record something from that external mic, then in that case, make sure that you have selected that particular microphone. And again, you can just simply talk to the mic and you can check out the input level. If you think, or if you feel that the volume is low, in that case you can increase the input volume. So yes, this is how simple it is to connect external mic to your Mac, and you can simply change the input from sound settings. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.